Believe it or not, you can call yourself an accountant and set up an accounting practice without having any qualifications at all. It's not like being a doctor or solicitor where legally you need to have the correct qualifications to do so. Generally, anybody can set up an accounting practice tomorrow. That means though, when you're picking your accountant, you want to be confident they do really know what they're doing. Now, there are actually some perfectly good accountants out there who have never actually sat the exams, been doing it for years and years, have all the experience to actually do a good job. But generally speaking, an accountant with the correct qualifications will give you more comfort. They'll do a better job, and also their accounting body will give you somewhere to go if anything goes wrong. So, what are the main accounting qualifications? The main thing to look out for when picking an accountant is that they're a member of one of the following bodies. The first would be the AAT. It stands for the Association of Accounting Technicians. A UK qualification, often done by people when they first get into the accounting profession. It's kind of the stepping stone. It's very much around the bookkeeping and the first steps, so it's a really good qualification to get as a grounding. After that, many accountants then move on to one of the higher professional qualifications. The three main ones would be CIMA, or the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, which is a great qualification to have actually working in business, preparing management accounts. CIMA accountants have a really good idea of how businesses work. Then there is the ACCA, which is the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. It's a global body. Certified accountants often start off in practice, i.e. work in an accounting firm, before they go out and work within a business itself. The last one's the ICAEW, the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales, which is, I guess, the oldest, most traditional qualification. Some would say the most prestigious. To be called a chartered accountant, you must be a member of this institute. However, these days, to be honest, there isn't a huge difference between the different qualifications, and I say that as a chartered accountant myself. They just have a different slant. They do things slightly differently, but at its core, if your accountant's a member of any of those bodies, it gives you comfort they know what they're doing and they'll do a good job. As I say, it means they've sat through the exams, they've done the qualifications, they have the accreditation, and it's important to know the body behind them. Firstly, that body helps them keep up to date with what's going on, any change in legislation or tax, but also if anything goes wrong, you have a body to go to, an institute to go to make your complaint. So those are the qualifications you should be looking for. It's really useful to look for them when you're picking your accountant. I hope that was useful. See you soon.